so even though I have that, I'm going to take this off because I'm going to use my filter and put the filter right here, even though it's going through another filter. I just don't want it to go through here, so just going to undo this. And then hopefully we can do this without breaking it. I'll probably cut it back if I need to. I think I will, just so I don't tear up this little connector here. I'll just cut it here. So this fuel line doesn't look good. Well, I think we're going to replace this fuel line. It don't look good. This is the oiler, right? Cut the wrong end. That's okay. I'll replace it. I've got some more. That one didn't even have the clip, so. Alright. So you can see right away we have to do a fuel pump, but this line doesn't look good. And I'm going to pull this off. I'm going to replace that line too. Well, we got a weed eater going, so put some fuel back in it. Got my fuel lines back on, new fuel lines. And now I still got the filter here, and we'll pump it up, see if we get it, see what it does. Okay, well, I got it to hold and pumped it up because we're just draining it. So if I just I'm gonna go ahead and cut me a bottle and stick underneath it. Just a water bottle. Stick this underneath here so see what this looks like. This, I think what I decided is I'm going to go ahead and put a fuel line over to there, from the fuel pump over to the fuel filter, and out of the fuel filter into the VST. Keep saying VST. I guess it's, in this case, it is still a vapor separator. Just trying to catch what I can. And it's still pretty brown coming out of there compared to, you guys saw. What that originally looked like, so pretty brown. So on the Optimaxes, they had a fuel filter here that they added, but this has got a filter on the other side. Whoops. That certainly looked better. I like sticking this under here because if you drop this, it goes into there. Yeah, your drain plug. Like that. You go down into the cowl and then you're screwed. I'm not starting this engine, so I'm gonna let this drain out. This is a mistake I'm making right here, but I'll clean it up. We got a pan down there. I really wanted it to kind of filter through. So hate me, love me, whatever. See, now it's a lot cleaner. We're going to do it one more time. This time. Yeah, sorry about being a very good host here. That's starting to look pretty good now that we've flushed that. So tomorrow I'm going to replace this hose. Goes over the fuel filter and then comes out of the fuel filter and goes in to this, I call it a VST, vapor separator unit, although I'm not sure if that's the right terminology for the EFI. Basically there's a high pressure pump that sends to the fuel injectors, which is probably here, and that's why we have this fitting so that we can see what pressure we have. And then, you know, we got power to the actual pump, so in here. And the other thing that probably should happen is we need to set this, you know, put it in its downward tilt position so that more fuel comes up into here. Anyway, you know, you get the picture. So I think I'll continue on with trying to filter this tomorrow. Right now I'm getting like dive bombed by mosquitoes, you know, so we're still fighting mosquitoes around here. So, but I think it's looking pretty good so far. So far so good. So let me I'll deal with that tomorrow. Go ahead and get the get this all buttoned back up again. Yeah, it's starting to look a little clearer.